Today we've got Glenn from Weathertex coming out to check out all the hard work the guys have been doing on site, installing all of the weatherboards. Weathertex and Freedom Built share many similarities in terms of how we operate as businesses. All the products that are used on the walls are actually recycled. We're striving to deliver a house that lasts the test of time 50 to 100 years rather than what houses are currently lasting for now, which is like that 15 to 25 year mark.
It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, just even the guys from lifting those heavy fibro cement sheets to now lifting these lighter timber-made products.
And you know they're depending on the thickness, they're 4 times the impact strength.
That's right. So
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
And also being a better than carbon zero product, you can put that into your prospectus that it's a very environmentally friendly home.
100%. And I remember last time you were telling me that there's only one machine in the world that can make this product. It can't ever be replicated or anything else like that. So
yeah,
it's pretty cool.
It is, yeah. So as you know, we get the forest waste. We basically chip that, steam it, and that gets out your sucrose and starch, so the termites don't like it, which is great. That's why we call it termite resistant product. And the natural lignin in the eucalypt trees is what holds it together. So it becomes liquid. And then when we add the water to it and then we squeeze it down between the plates with the different patterns and the water comes out, the lignin dries and holds it together. So that's why we don't need any glues, no formaldehydes, no anything like that. We use our own water and we put it through the plant 14 times and then put it out to 2,000 acres of new growth hardwood and softwood forest. So it's a really good story.
Weathertex is a recycled, Australian-owned, sustainable product. It comes from offcuts of timber and stumps and things like that, which would commonly just usually be thrown out or put into landfill. They're able to use those products and then make them into these to form a second life.
I think it's going to finish up really well, as all your jobs do. Good on you.
Good on you, Glenn.